Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Facebook pixel to your website. So if you follow this step-by-step process, at the end of the day, you will be able to do that exactly. So first of all, you will need to locate your events manager when you go to your ad manager app. For those who don't know how to navigate to the events manager, you first of all log into your Facebook ad manager. You come to your left-hand side, you click on events manager. When you click on this events manager, and then it will load you and bring you to the events manager. That's how to go to the events manager. So in the events manager, if you don't have a pixel, you first of all come and click on the plus here. As you can see, connect data source. So you will see something like you are asked to choose whether web, app, offline, CRM. So you choose web and you click continue. They will ask you to put the name of your pixel. So definitely it should be your business name. So you put it, and after that, you automatically create your pixel. That is for those who don't have a pixel in the first place. That is what you do to create your pixel. If you have a pixel just like me, so you come, click the name of your pixel, you will see something like continue pixel setup. Continue pixel setup. So you click on the continue pixel setup, and then you choose meta pixel, and then you click connect. We also have the conversion API, and that one will send web events directly to your from your web service. But we are interested in connecting the pixel now. Now, there are two major ways to connect the pixel. We have install the code manually, and we also have check for partner integration. So installing the code manually is for technical people. Like if you want to send it to your web developer to follow the code and install it for you, but you will have to use the partner integration, and then come and choose WordPress. If it is a WordPress website, if it is not a WordPress and it's any of the other options that you saw there, you can choose any of them. Okay. Now, there are several steps that you need to follow. And then we have the first step where you have to install a plugin. The second step, you need to connect to Facebook, verify the connection, set up events, and confirm. These are the steps that we need to follow in order to be able to connect the pixel. So first of all, you need to look at the pixel. The pixel that they say we should install is Facebook pixel for WordPress. Of late, the name has been changed to Meta Pixel for WordPress. Okay, so you come to the back end of your website, and then you go to the plugin section and you click on add new. You click on add new under the left, that is under the plugins. And then you come and type Meta for WordPress. Meta for WordPress. This is it. So you see this plugin. So you install it. You click to install it. Okay, so after you install it, you activate it. Okay, so as you can see, plugin activated. So the plugin has been activated. So we need to continue with the other steps. So you come to your settings. You click on this settings. Okay, so when you click on the setting, you see Meta. Okay, so you see something like you see that your business is connected on Facebook. If you are not yet connected, you won't see your business is connected on Facebook. Okay. If you are not connected, you will see something like connect your business to Facebook. Powerful tools from Facebook and Instagram. So you will see something like connect your business to Facebook. So you click on connect. You'll be asked to confirm the Facebook account, and then you confirm. From there, you continue. Then you select the business manager, the correct business manager. If the correct one is not there, you change it. Then connect it with the correct business manager. Then, yeah, so you select the correct business manager. You also select the correct page for your business. Then you continue. You select this correct Instagram account if you have any. You can also skip if you don't want to connect Instagram. Then you select the advertising account of your business. Then from there, you select the pixel. Make sure you select the right pixel. Then you click continue. If all the selections are complete, you click next. We're supposed to, so the connection is almost done. Let's go back to the pixel connection process to check if the connection is successful. It's loading. I want to check send traffic and to find out whether the pixel is working correctly. If it is successfully connected, you will see the no activity here will change to green. So it means that it is not successful yet. The connection wasn't successful. So we have to connect it again. We have to connect it again. We have to connect it again. Okay, so here we're supposed to click on done. We forgot to click on done. So you click on done. From there, ensure we get it. Very good. This is what we're supposed to confirm that we didn't confirm. I agree to share my token with this site. So you make sure you read and understand what they are saying and click on the checkbox and confirm. Good. So the connection is now very successful. It is the reason why we were not getting it right. Okay. So it's connected now. Then you now go back to the pixel connection process. Go back and then send traffic again. Very good. So as you can see, the pixel connection has been very successful. We have been able to connect it, and you can see a green color. So if you follow this, you are going to get it done. So when you are done like this, from here, you click on next. So from here, you click on next, you set up events and you confirm. So the setting up the events, the standard and conversion event, the standard and customized events. Okay. I've taken time to do a whole video on how to set up the custom events and the standard events. You can take a look at that video above. It's a whole video of its own. You'll be able to set up your events there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. As you can see, the pixel is connected and it's working properly, and we can run our ads. Once again, if you have a problem, leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow us. You can follow the WhatsApp button, WhatsApp link to WhatsApp us, and you can leave your comments in the comment section. You can take a look at some of the people that we've been able to help, and their adverts are now doing very well. You can take a look at those that we help, and I assure you that if you contact us, we will help you. We will help you set up your digital marketing properly, set up your conversion campaigns, set up your standard events, run profitable ads for your business. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.